Couscous salad with olive oil and lemon dressing, fresh, flavorful, and easy to make. Imagine a dish so light, fresh, and full of flavor that every bite feels like a burst of Mediterranean sunshine. This couscous salad with olive oil and lemon dressing is not only delicious but also incredibly simple to prepare. Whether you're looking for a quick lunch, a side dish, or a nutritious meal, this vibrant salad will quickly become one of your favorites. Couscous, a staple in North African and Mediterranean cuisine, is known for its delicate texture and ability to absorb flavors beautifully. When paired with crisp vegetables, aromatic herbs, and a bright, zesty dressing, it transforms into a dish that is both satisfying and refreshing. Ingredients: serves for 1 cup couscous, 1 cup hot water or vegetable broth, 1 medium cucumber, diced, 1 large tomato, diced, half red onion, finely chopped, half cup fresh parsley, chopped, 1/4 cup fresh mint, chopped, 1/4 cup black olives, sliced, 100 grams feta cheese, optional. For the dressing: 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, juice of 1 large lemon, 1 clove garlic, finely minced or grated, 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup, salt and black pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large bowl, add the couscous and pour over the hot water or vegetable broth. Cover and let sit for 5 minutes until the liquid is absorbed. Fluff with a fork to separate the grains. Add the cucumber, tomato, red onion, parsley, mint, and olives to the couscous. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, honey, salt, and black pepper until well combined. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss gently to coat all the ingredients. If desired, crumble the feta cheese over the top for an extra layer of flavor. This couscous salad is perfect for meal prep, picnics, or as a side dish for grilled meats and fish. It can be served immediately, but letting it sit in the fridge for a couple of hours allows the flavors to meld beautifully. What would you add to make this salad your own? Let's chat in the comments.